Alright, so we're having a little fun tonight. Listen to this. That is so awesome. We're going to have some fun with this. Okay, so our autos here are not equipped with air horns. We just have a little regular city horn. Hi, Chuck! Alright, so there they are. They're old air horns that somebody brought in. Basically, they are hooked up with an air hose into an air connector, which you can't really see there anyway. We push this little button here. Awesome! Awesome, awesome, awesome. We have to have our toys. Here's the regular horn. That is the regular horn that we have on these. I like the other one.